Alright guys, let's kick things off with a tool that needs no introduction. ChatGPT. We've all heard the hype, right? This beast from OpenAI is a generative AI model that's basically redefined how we interact with text. Think human quality writing, instant summarization, even coding assistance. But while it's amazing for brainstorming, drafting articles, and automating customer service chats, remember it's not perfect. It can sometimes hallucinate, meaning it makes stuff up, or miss the mark entirely. Visual, fast-paced montage of ChatGPT interface, various text outputs, happy customers using chatbots, then a comical glitch showing gibberish text. Asterisk. The real power of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. Imagine an e-commerce store using it to instantly answer customer queries about shipping, return policies, or product details. This frees up human agents to handle more complex issues, drastically improving customer service. Or picture a marketing team using ChatGPT to generate variations on ad copy, quickly testing different angles and appealing directly to target audiences. That's efficient marketing. Or consider a software development team using ChatGPT to quickly generate code snippets, saving countless hours of manual coding. It's a game changer. But don't rely on it for everything. Always fact-check. Always maintain human oversight. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment and critical thinking. Visual, screenshots of ChatGPT generating various content types, a product description, a witty tweet, a code snippet, a customer service response. Next up, we have Jasper AI, a real powerhouse for content marketers. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a whole suite of tools designed to streamline the entire content creation process. We're talking about generating SEO-optimized blog posts, compelling ad copy that really grabs attention, and even social media content that makes your brand shine. They even have templates to make the whole process easier. I'm always amazed at how this tool can transform a simple idea into a solid piece of marketing copy in just minutes. Visual, sleek, modern Jasper AI interface shown with various content templates highlighted. Example outputs of a blog post, social media post, and ad copy are displayed. Asterisk. What makes Jasper stand out is its attention to detail. You can customize the tone of voice, making sure everything perfectly matches the personality of your brand. Imagine a luxury skincare brand. With Jasper, you can write a product description that's elegant, sophisticated, and reflects the values of that brand. Or think about a tech startup in need of edgy, engaging content for social media. Jasper can deliver exactly that, saving companies tons of time, freeing up resources, and giving their team more time to focus on strategy. It's efficiency taken to the next level. They also have excellent features such as checking for plagiarism and grammar too. But, like all AI tools, it's important to review and edit the outputs for accuracy and creativity. Don't forget to put the human touch in. Visual, examples of Jasper AI outputs tailored to different brands, a luxury skincare description, a tech startup social media post, a casual clothing brand ad. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Copy.ai. Copy.ai excels at creating marketing copy that converts. We're talking about email campaigns, social media posts, and ad copy designed to get results. It's incredibly user-friendly, with a streamlined interface and tons of templates for different needs. Visual, bright, colorful Copy.ai interface showcasing its various templates and tools. I particularly like how easy it is to generate variations on a piece of copy, allowing marketers to quickie test which messaging resonates best with their target audience. Imagine creating several versions of a product description to see what works best on different platforms. This A/B testing helps maximize conversions and ROI. It's a fantastic tool for those needing to pump out a lot of content fast. While Copy.ai is highly efficient, always remember human oversight is crucial to guarantee quality, originality, and ensure the copy aligns perfectly with your brand's unique voice and message. The AI might make some assumptions, and that can hurt you. Visual, A/B testing results showing increased click-through rates using Copy.ai generated copy compared to conventionally written copy. Let's move beyond writing and talk about productivity. Notion AI is seamlessly integrated into the Notion workspace, transforming this popular project management and note-taking platform into a real powerhouse. But this one is only useful if you already use Notion. Visual, a dynamic screen recording showcasing Notion AI's features, such as summarizing notes, automating workflows, and generating insights. Asterisk. Think about summarizing lengthy meeting notes in seconds or automating repetitive tasks. Notion AI can even help you generate new ideas for projects or content. It's invaluable for streamlining workflows and collaboration among teams, helping startups and businesses stay organized, track progress, and boost team productivity. For example, using Notion AI, you can quickly summarize all your findings from doing market research and turn those findings into a presentation practically immediately. This makes team meetings much quicker and more efficient. Although powerful, keep in mind this one is only valuable if you are already using Notion. If you aren't, you'll be forced to integrate all your existing work processes into Notion. And that is not always the best idea. Visual: before and after using Notion AI, a cluttered to-do list becomes a streamlined task management board. Okay, let's get visual. Pictory is changing the game for video content creation. It lets you transform existing written content like blog posts or scripts into short, engaging videos in minutes. It's super straightforward and incredibly efficient. Visual: a before and after comparison showing a blog post being transformed into a visually engaging video using Pictory. ***. This incredible tool is perfect for repurposing content, creating explainer videos, or marketing videos. Imagine transforming your most popular blog post into a quick, shareable video. Or consider quickly creating a series of short promotional videos to add to your social media posts using Pictory. This can significantly boost your visibility and engagement without needing a large video production team. It's ideal for educational content too, allowing educators to create dynamic learning materials. Although efficient, remember that really high-end video production still needs human skills. You'll need to add some final touches to make sure it perfectly aligns with your brand and target audience. Visual: examples of videos created via Pictory for different purposes: an explainer video, a marketing campaign video, an educational video. Let's talk about another game changer for video content: Synthesia. This impressive AI platform uses AI avatars to create videos in any language and with incredible realism. There's something for almost anyone here. Visual: examples of videos created using Synthesia, showcasing AI avatars speaking in different languages. ***. Imagine the possibilities for global marketing campaigns, creating videos in multiple languages without needing to hire multiple voice actors or video crews. Or consider using Synthesia to train employees in various aspects of a large corporation by creating instructional videos in every region available to the company. This reduces costs, boosts efficiency, and provides a consistent brand experience globally. It definitely simplifies the process, though the customization of the AI avatars is somewhat limited. For now, the ability to generate video content in such a massive way still requires human input. Visual: a company using Synthesia to create a training video and a marketing campaign video for different regions. Now, for businesses operating globally, effective communication matters more than ever. That's where a reliable translation tool like DeepL comes in. DeepL is way more than a simple translator. It focuses on accurately capturing subtleties and nuances in language, resulting in high-quality fluent translations. Visual: side-by-side comparisons of translations from DeepL and a generic translation tool. This is a huge advantage for businesses wanting to reach international audiences. Imagine accurately translating a marketing campaign into different languages, making sure your message resonates directly with target audiences from different locations and cultural backgrounds. This is so important for both trust and effective marketing. With DeepL, you can ensure all your written materials, website content, and social media posts align perfectly with their target audience, boosting your brand's credibility and increasing engagement worldwide. But remember, while DeepL excels at quality, it supports only fewer languages than some competitors. Visual: examples of DeepL translations used in different contexts: a marketing campaign, a website, a legal document. Let's talk about HubSpot AI, a powerful tool that's directly integrated into the HubSpot CRM platform. This is a must-have for sales and marketing teams. Visual: HubSpot AI interface highlighting features such as lead scoring, email personalization, and predictive analytics. HubSpot AI boosts efficiency with features like lead scoring, which automatically categorizes incoming leads based on their potential and which ones need immediate attention. Then, there's email personalization, which tailors email correspondence at scale, allowing marketers to enhance engagement and driving revenue through targeted messaging. Further, you get predictive analytics, which helps businesses make informed decisions. For example, it can predict what leads are most likely to convert into sales at any given time. This empowers sales and marketing teams to optimize their strategies and close deals more quickly. While this system is incredible, the cost may present a major barrier to smaller teams. Visual: data visualizations illustrating HubSpot AI's features, boosting conversion rates, increasing sales, and improving customer engagement. Now, Let's tackle something incredibly important for any business communication. Grammarly is a writing assistant that polishes up your writing to create more effective communication. This one is used by millions across the globe, and even businesses will depend on it. Visual. Grammarly interface highlighting grammar, punctuation, and style improvements in a sample sentence. Asterisk asterisk. Grammarly's algorithms check for grammar, punctuation, tone, and even style, helping improve the quality of content and making sure that it's clear and polished. For businesses, this guarantees error-free emails, proposals, and reports, strengthening brand credibility. Its advanced tone adjustment helps adapt content for your target audience, strengthening your communication and engagement, thus improving your chances of securing deals. Especially useful for marketing and academic writing, Grammarly can even detect plagiarism. Note that the free version is limited, so you'll want to look into the paid version if you are using it often. Visual. Examples showcasing Grammarly's features enhancing clarity and tone of emails, marketing content, and reports. And there you have it, a glimpse into some of the top AI tools transforming the business world in 2025. But let me tell you, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We also looked at tools like Otter.ai for live transcription, amazing for recording and transcribing meetings, Slack GPT and Trello AI for streamlining internal team communications and task management, Canva Magic Design for quickly creating stunning visuals, DeepL for translation of content across languages, ClickUp AI, which seamlessly integrates AI features into their project management platform, Zoho, which uses AI and natural language processes to automate tasks, Gong.io, which helps monitor sales calls with AI, Adobe Firefly, which is really popular in generating image content, Descript, which automates audio and video editing, Monday.com AI for better task management, and even tools like Mouth.ai for realistic text-to-speech and Lumen 5, which turns blog posts into video content, and Surfer SEO for SEO optimization. Each of these tools offers unique capabilities to address specific business challenges and opportunities. Visual. Quick shots of the interfaces of all the remaining tools, highlighting their key features. Remember, choosing the right AI tools depends entirely on your business-specific needs. Consider your pain points. Where are you losing time? Where could you benefit from automation? Where does AI offer the opportunity to scale your business? Don't feel you have to integrate every bit of AI technology immediately. Instead, take a measured approach to see what fits your model and your team. Explore these options and find the ones that best fit your workflow. Experiment, and then watch how AI can level up your business game. Visual. A concluding screen with call to action. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and check out links in the description.